Guys, still available pa tong listing namin dito sa BF Resort Village, Las Piñas City na fully furnished. So if you're type of buyer na gusto magpagawa ng bahay at ayaw na ng hassle sa construction and sa mga gamit, so this property might be the one. So yung property na to ay may mga gamit na, may mga CCTV nang include. Tulad na to, may mga sofa na, TV na 65 inches. You have your quality 8-seater dining area and then complete kitchen appliances. So you have your 2-door ref, cooktop, range wood, and then bonus pa, meron na kayong filtration system dito. So hindi na kayo bili ng mineral. And then microwave, Elba brand. You have your lanai area dito. So yung property na to is may total ng 4 bedroom plus 1 office room. And ang full details ito ilalagay ko rin sa description below. So bye-bye, see you on the next video.